A pretty somber day of trade is what we witnessed in the markets after two consecutive sessions of rise. Clearly, you have Nifty 50, which has ended below the 19,600 mark, and Sensex as well, so cuts of nearly 100 points coming in there. It was interesting to see how Bank Nifty has outperformed the benchmark indices in trade today, and this is ahead of the RBI monetary policy that is slated on the 10th of August. Overall, it's the PSU banks that have actually supported the Bank Nifty in the overall session. The advanced decline ratio as well has been in favor of the bears, so that's going to be an interesting aspect that we continue to monitor. Overall, if you go to see, except the banking and the pharma pack, all the other indices ended in the negative, and it was the metal pack which was the top losing sector as well. Moving on, if you see in terms of the top gainers, you had names like Hero Moto, SBI Life, Cipla, Tech Mahindra as well as a Wipro, whereas on the losing end you had names like Adani Enterprises, Hindalco, Divis Laboratories, M&M as well as a JSW Steel. In terms of newsmakers, Adani Ports reacted to numbers which beat street estimates, as well as Maruti Suzuki has decided to go for a share swap for the Gujarat plan, and that will see a 4% equity dilution as well. Moving on, in terms of other newsmakers, you had a TCS that was in focus in today's session as well, and this was mainly on the back of the deal that they have got from GEM. Apart from that, Inox Wind saw a block deal in trade today. Genus Power was in focus on the back of an order win. Gland Pharma reacted to numbers and was locked in upper circuit. GIC Housing Finance was down in trade on the back of numbers. And you had a Tata Power on the back of an order win that was in focus. So overall, if you go to see a lot of newsmakers in trade today, it's a day where there is some bit of consolidation that has continued, but it's mainly the financials as well as the rate sensitives that will continue to remain in focus ahead of the RBI monetary policy that is slated, as we mentioned, on Thursday.